What's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another motherfucking video, and today we are actually just going to be ripping around the two. I gotta go get gas, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the POV cam on, and on top of that, we're just going to stop at some places, get some good flicks and everything, and I'm going to bring y'all along with me. The G87 literally idles so nice. It's the best idling S58, I think. So as you can see, we are in the car and everything like that. Y'all just got the nice cold start. I pulled the car out, turned it around, but unfortunately, we're only at 27 miles till empty, bro. I need to go get some gas. Then I'm gonna go pull up to the scenic overlook, and then I'm gonna go pull up and get some motherfucking lunch. So yeah, just stay tuned. And I'm gonna see if there's a car meet tonight, but I might just make another video for that. So we're gonna see. Gonna fill up. It looks like there's salt on the ground, but I don't think so. It's fucking warm out today. It's 51 degrees in December. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. I'm just excited to be driving and enjoying my day today. I cannot lie. I'm off today, so I'm just ready to enjoy my day, like I said. Might go to the gym later. Probably will, to be honest. Yeah, just focusing on me, my boy. I do have the GoPro and the head mount ready for the head cam and the POV cam, I mean. So y'all stay tuned, because I'm gonna do that once I hop up on the gosh darn highway after I get gas. Okay, there's mad salt on this road for literally no fucking reason, bro. It's 50 fucking degrees out. I need to go get this gas, and I'm just really curious to see, like, are we gonna be breaking the bank? Like, what's the deal? Because right now we only average, I think if we're lucky, like 14 miles per gallon. So I'm outside with another M2. What the fuck? Brother, we have the same car. Brother, come on, man. We got the same whip. Go! That was insane. I just saw a Zandvoort blue M2. Bro, it's right there. That is crazy as fuck. This stupid ass truck, bro. Look, it's literally a Zandvoort blue, and I'm in a fucking black sapphire metallic. That's crazy. I wonder if his is auto or manual. Bro, what the fuck? We're outside with another M2. That's cool as fuck. Crazy. That's such a weird random find, especially right now. Oh yeah, he hit it. Yes, sir. Both in the M2s, bruh. Stop playing. Oh, shit. Slow down, my boy. There is a cop. I don't know where, though. All right, my boy. Damn, cuz. I just want to be real, though. What are the chances that I just see another random M2 outside? Like, for real, what are the chances of that? Like, that is crazy. Another random Zandvoort blue M2, and I'm in the black sapphire metallic. That was just crazy to me. We just got out to the gas station, and now I'm breaking the bank for your guys' entertainment purposes, and I'm just waiting for the dude to fill up the tank. So, yeah, man. The car looks really good, though, out here, and we're about to see how much it's filling up. We're already at $24, so, and we're only at 6 gallons, so it's kind of fucked, but it's all good. We're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see what we get into, and then we're gonna hop on the highway for the nice POV. So y'all just stay tuned. Nah, man, we just broke the bank. Nice little $53. Jesus Christ, it's all good, man. Looks like we're gonna be dropping half $100 every time we want to fill this bitch up, because we're on $4.20, and I was gonna stop and get gas for $4.97. So I'm happy I did not do that. Popping into MO and start it up. The fucking mean gal. Are you fucking mad? Y'all definitely owe me a fucking, at least hit the sub button, cause shit, $53. God damn. guys, I know I'm fucking boring. I didn't get the manual. To be honest with you, I'm happy that I went the automatic route because I'm gonna be tuning this car and everything. And for me personally, sorry if it gets bumpy, this fucking road. For tuning purposes, it's just gonna be nicer to have a manual car, I think. I mean, automatic. Let me know how the view was. If the view was good, let me know. I know it's shittier quality because my other GoPro is broken, which is unfortunate, but I gotta get it fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this bad boy over her. Right, car's out here, it's looking good. It's dirty as fuck, but I mean, the car still looks clean, so that's a good thing. It just, if anything, it just shows, you know, I'm driving the fucking car, bro, as I should, as I've wanted to. It just feels good that I can bring an M into my life and actually just drive this thing, bro. Like, not have to worry about it. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to worry about it, but not have to worry about, you know, the daily miles that you could put on one of these cars. So, and I'm not even putting that many miles on it right now, but I've definitely put more than what some people have. I feel like maybe, I don't know, maybe not. I'm gonna splice together some footage from when the 230 was here, so it's gonna be a nice little like send off to the 230 at this spot with some nice little flicks of the M2. So y'all just keep watching and hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna continue to do some more car edits like these, so if you guys like them, just let me know.
3 a.m. I'm in the studio, down the doors and out. Won't think twice, but a bitch I fucked last year, she somewhere holding out. Every day of the winter, I had my heat, nigga, I don't want cold at all. All about my paper, got them bank roll.
Goddamn bumpy ass road, bro. Wow, this thing turns. Holy shit. As y'all saw, I just was able to rip the car for the first time. How I be liking to drive. So just a little bit more spirited. I'm just gonna cruise home though when we get back in the car. I gotta clean it today badly. And then once it's clean, she'll be looking nice and pretty again, but she's dirty right now because, like, badly. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab some food. I get a nice little burrito today, so you know how it is. We got nice little fresh kicks on the feet, feel me? But not, man. Oh, look at this. We got a nice Camaro pulling in. Sheesh. That bitch is sweet. No cap. Motion has been secured. Yeah, y'all can hate on me in the fucking comments for putting the food in the trunk, but I'd much rather smell a brand new car than smell some fuck ass food in the whip. That's another thing I gotta do is get tints like a fucking sap. Oh my god, there's a cop. The Grim Reaper. Cop is still right in front of me. I caught up to him, which probably isn't a good thing that I caught up to him, but I did. I'm so blessed. I thank God every single day for this. I thank God every single day for just waking me up. I thank him for everything. Make sure you guys are doing that, bro. Make sure you guys are taking the time out of your day to speak with God and say what's up to him. He'd appreciate it. I can't even lie to you. But regardless, man, we're just cruising. We're driving. It's good vibes. It's beautiful out. It's 57 degrees, bro. I think I might put down the windows and just cruise out to the house, man. I'm so happy to just be out driving in nice weather. Like, for real, man. Hopefully the car sounds better. I can't wait to get like an exhaust or a mid-pipe on it so you guys can really hear the car. I was just watching, if you guys know who Fresh Kicks is, this cop is flying up behind me. If you guys know who Fresh Kicks is, he just put a mid-pipe on his M4 and it sounds so good, bro. Like, I definitely gotta get the mid-pipe on the car at some point. I'm just gonna go ahead, pull in here, we're gonna be in front of some big ass houses, so I'll give y'all some nice motivation, just like I need it. Holy fuck. Car's looking fucking amazing. I'm so incredibly blessed, bro. Like I can't stop saying that. I'm just like, I can't believe I'm driving an M2. I'm definitely gonna come back here though. I can't lie. I'm gonna use their grass for some pictures, buddy. Got me fucked up if you don't think I'm gonna do that, partner. Now I'm thinking about getting rid of my part-time job so that I can make more time to make some YouTube content for you guys, and so I can start getting this shit on the road a little bit. I'll just be brief. I own a business, so I normally run that. I have a part-time job just to help me out from month to month with, you know, just having extra bread. I really don't see a reason in having more fun and shit like that. Like, I don't really see a point in it. I'd much rather just work, try to get the bread that I want to get the money I want to get, and enjoy the life that I want to one day enjoy. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. I don't know if any of that makes sense, but it makes sense in my head. So I guess that's all that really matters for real. I'm going to say it again. I'm on God's plan, man. So whatever God has planned for me, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to make it happen. He gave me the path. He's giving me the tools to create my path, and I think that is amazing. Yeah, I'm ready to create my own path and create my own blueprint in this world, man. So if you guys are enjoying this video, just let me know, man. Keep it 100, keep it a stack in the comments, and just give me a nice little like on the video, and make sure to hit that sub button too, man. I'd appreciate it. I'm back at the crib, chilling, and I am ready to be back home, man. I cannot lie. I'm ready to eat some food. Go ahead, give you guys a nice, well, just one, or I'll give y'all 3 revs, 3 of them. Because I have neighbors home, and my landlord is home, and I can't be a bad tenant or a bad neighbor. I want to live here and reside here. But yeah, the garage is a nice vibe, bro. I can't lie. I just like coming in here and chilling. I'm definitely, one of these next videos is definitely gonna be a nice garage tour. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, as y'all see, I pull in on an angle, but it's because the yeah, it'd be dripping on the whip. But that's my neighbor. It's a long story, but it's just not fixed. I just got to get it fixed. But man, oh man, look at the car in here, bro. But if you guys did enjoy the video today, just make sure to hit the like button, the sub button, and make sure to comment. And let me know what else you guys want to see down below, because I'm excited to make some content with this car now. So just let me know. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to go head out, eat my food because I'm hungry, and I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.
I got motion, not a dime, she a quarter, she a token. Turned up, see the bitch having motion.